Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, if you would like to have quick access to Do Not Disturb, let's use upper bar twice, and here let's find and select the Do Not Disturb icon right here. So let me tap it, and as you can see, Do Not Disturb is turned on. You can also see it right here. This is the icon of Do Not Disturb. Now if you would like to customize and set up Do Not Disturb, you need to find this icon again, and let's hold down for a little bit longer. As you can see, Do Not Disturb open in your settings, so now you can, for example, also turn it on or turn it off. You can turn on as scheduled, so you can, for example, set up the scheduled time when you would like to activate Do Not Disturb. You can also choose the mode, so you can choose no exceptions. This mode mute all sounds on your phone, including calls, alerts, media and notification sound. You can choose alarms only, so you can just allow the alarms, or you can choose custom, so you can, for example, here handle with repeat callers, accept some calls and messages from some favorite contacts, for example. You can also enable the reminder and event and task alerts. Alright, let me go back. Here you can also use some app rules if you would like to, or you can hide visual notification if you would like to. Alright, in my case, let me turn off Do Not Disturb, and let's use back key to use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.